Variable valve timing, or VVT, is a technology in modern engines that dynamically adjusts when the intake and exhaust valves open and close. Instead of fixed valve timing, VVT optimizes engine performance, fuel efficiency, reduces emissions, and increases power across various driving conditions by allowing the engine to breathe more efficiently. At low speeds, this provides better torque, while at high speeds, it reduces wasted energy. In traditional engines, the camshaft dictates valve timing based on engine speed, measured in revolutions per minute or RPM. This timing is fixed, meaning valves open and close at predetermined points in the engine cycle. Variable valve timing systems use a phaser or actuator to rotate the camshaft relative to the crankshaft. This allows the valve timing to be adjusted dynamically. The system can advance or retard valve timing. Advancing opens intake valves earlier for more power at higher RPM, while retarding adjusts timing for better efficiency. Some VVT systems also adjust valve lift, controlling how far the valves open. This provides even greater control, reducing fuel consumption at idle by limiting valve opening. The core function of VVT is adjusting the timing angle. This optimizes engine breathing for different conditions, enhancing power output or fuel efficiency as needed. There are several types of variable valve timing systems. Cam phasing adjusts the timing angle of the valves, allowing them to open and close at optimal moments for different engine speeds. Variable valve lift modifies how much the valves open, reducing fuel use at idle and improving efficiency across operating conditions. Continuous variable valve timing provides infinite adjustments using hydraulic or electric actuators, offering precision and responsiveness for optimal engine performance. Honda's VTEC is a well-known example that combines both variable valve timing and lift, switching between different valve profiles based on engine conditions for enhanced power and efficiency. Variable valve timing offers significant benefits across different engine operating conditions. At low RPMs, VVT provides better low-end torque by optimizing valve timing for improved air intake. At high RPMs, VVT increases horsepower through optimized exhaust timing that reduces back pressure. VVT can improve fuel consumption by 5 to 15% through better volumetric efficiency and reduced pumping losses. Additionally, VVT reduces emissions by enhancing combustion efficiency, leading to cleaner operation. VVT is often integrated with other technologies like turbochargers, hybrids, and direct injection to maximize these performance and efficiency benefits. VVT is a crucial part of modern internal combustion and hybrid engines. Recent advancements focus on integrating VVT with electric systems for better efficiency. While electric vehicles are growing in popularity, VVT is still important in hybrids and mild hybrids. Automakers are also refining VVT with electric actuators for faster response times, like Toyota's VVT-IE. AI-driven control systems are being introduced in luxury vehicles to optimize VVT adjustments in real time. A major trend in variable valve timing is pairing it with electric motors in mild hybrids, allowing engines to operate less frequently and save fuel. The emphasis is on reducing CO2 emissions, as shown in this graph of life cycle emissions for different vehicle types. As electric vehicles become more common, VVT may decline in pure internal combustion engines, but it is expected to persist in hybrids until around 2040. Innovations such as virtual VVT using software and electric motors might emulate VVT benefits in EVs. Honda's VTEC system is a prime example of VVT in action. It dynamically switches between two cam profiles to deliver increased power at high RPM while maintaining good fuel economy at lower speeds. Toyota's VVT-I advances intake valve timing to improve low-end torque and reduce fuel consumption, particularly in hybrid models where it works seamlessly with electric motors. BMW's Valvetronic combines variable valve timing with variable lift, allowing precise control over air intake for improved efficiency and performance in their hybrid vehicles. Volkswagen's MQB platform integrates VVT across multiple models, including their TSI petrol and TDI diesel engines, though it has faced reliability challenges that required software fixes. Experts view VVT as a proven technology for boosting efficiency, particularly in hybrids. Some engineers believe VVT will evolve to mimic camless designs, reducing mechanical complexity. While electric vehicle proponents argue that EVs eliminate the need for VVT, others in the industry emphasize its continued importance for hybrid supercars and other applications. VVT remains a valuable technology for improving engine performance and efficiency.